Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Hiring Mentor. I hope everyone are doing great and being safe at your homes. Well, this video will be a little bit unique compared to other videos. In this video, you are going to learn some important topics that are related to Python. So how to make a career in Python. So let us start this video. Well, in this video, you will learn some incredible things such as what is meant by Python, what does a Python developer do, how to build a career in Python, and pros and cons of Python. So let us start. So what is meant by Python? Well, Python is a general purpose coding or programming language which can be used for software and web and mobile application development. And Python is known for being easy to learn by beginners and its wide range of functions and applications. And briefly explain your point of view. Well, Python is mostly used for the development of mobile applications, and this language will be quite easy for the beginners to learn. What does a Python developer do? Like what kind of work they do? So Python developers use this Python language to build, implement, and develop projects. And Python is used by the software engineers. Not only the software engineers use this language, but also website and mobile application developers, coders, and even data scientists. And the projects and applications developed are tailored according to the needs of the developers' employers. So this is about it. And why build a career in Python? Why is it so important to build up a career in Python development? So first of all, I would like to say about the scope of Python development, like what is its importance and what is its main objective, for what purposes this language is used. Well, Python is mostly used by the most reputed companies and by some of the biggest companies in the world, such as Google, Facebook, Spotify, and Netflix. So, this language is the real Python language that they use. And Python is steadily featured among the top programming languages to learn, maintaining its position even in the year 2019, according to multiple blogs and lists. And the versatility of Python has led to successful ventures and development in fields like software development, science, arts, business, education, and government administration. So, this is the importance of Python development. Anyone can pursue this course. And what are the advantages and disadvantages of Python? Like most of the Python jobs are available across sectors, like other languages like C and Java might not go out of demand, but Python has a large set of libraries and tools, and it also provides great opportunities to the people who have learned this course. It is a relatively slower language as compared to the other languages like C language or Java, and Python is being increasingly used in machine learning and AI jobs. It is not the preferred language if you are trying to build a career in the mobile app development. Like most of the people will learn the languages like C and Java. Very lesser people will prefer this Python language. But Python has a large set of libraries and tools, as I have already said before. It provides great opportunities to the people in getting a job in the companies, and it is mostly used for the machine learning and the AI jobs. This language is not that preferred language where most of the people opt for. So, this is about the advantages and disadvantages of Python language. And coming to the qualifications required for the Python development, who can pursue this course? Well, although any interested individual can learn how to code using Python language, like the person can have the background in the science or the computer science will be quite useful. And degree field of study, like who can pursue. As you can see on the screen, there are some courses such as bachelor's or master's of computer science, software engineering, data science, statistics, business administration, etc. And also, you just need to remember one point, that is, even if you do not hold any formal degrees in computer science, or it may be software engineering or data science or in business administration, don't worry, you can learn this language how to course using Python using the help of online courses and tutorials. There are plenty of online courses in the websites, and you can pursue this course in online, and you can get a certificate as well at reasonable prices. Well, some websites are offering this course for free. You just check it out. And Python courses and certifications. Well, there are several options for learning Python and getting a certificate. It might be offline or it might be online. Apart from the options given below, you may also search online for the best institutes or tutors for Python learning in your city. Well, here are a few websites that we have given to you. You can just search with the help of this website in, you can just search these courses in the Google and you can avail this Python language. The website is Google and the course is Python class. Well, the price of the course is free. Well, they won't charge anything, and the format of studying is online, and the learning duration is self-paced. You can learn by taking your time. And the next website which is offering this course is Udacity, and the course is Introduction to Python, and the price is free. They won't charge you anything. You can just avail this course now, and the format is online course, and the learning duration is self-paced, approximately 5 weeks. They will give you the time of 5 weeks where you can learn this language. So moving ahead, what are the top companies that recruits the people who have learned this language? Well, as you can see on the screen, there are some popular companies such as Google, Netflix, Amazon, Pinterest, Spotify, Uber, YouTube, Classes of Technologies, Thermolab Technologies, Qantas, Micropyramid, etc. And the popular startups such as InstaMojo, Hacker Earth, EveryCrave, Recruiter Box, Think Labs, etc. So these are the top companies and the popular startups that are offering, placements to the people who have learned this language. Just make a note down of all these companies and just try your level best after learning this Python language. So I think I have provided valuable information to you all about this Python. I have covered the basics like the Python and what does the Python developers do and what are the startups and companies that offer placements and where you can learn this language with the help of Google. So this is about it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please do share it with your friends. Please do subscribe to our channel Hiring Mentor. And if you like this video, please do hit the like button. And thank you for watching. Thank you for sparing your time in watching this video. And thank you all. Be safe. Have a nice day.